Hi loves, welcome to my channel, and the company that we are working with today is Wiggins Hair. Thank you so much to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring today's video, and these are some of the goodies that were included inside the packaging. Thank you so much. I went ahead and pre-plucked the hair a little bit, and I used my hot comb and wax stick, and this is what the hairline is currently giving. Now they sent through their 16 inches pre-colored highlights blonde highlight wig, a 13x4 transparent lace wig. What I like to do with a transparent lace is use my foundation to tint the lace a little bit so that it can match my skin tone. To install my hair, I like going in and parting it in 3 sections. I find that it is easier for me that way. So to install today, I am using my Ghost Bond glue, and I think I used about 2 layers on this day. I just wait for it to be a little bit tacky, not all the way clear, just tacky enough for me to lay the lace down. Now, do not be afraid to go in and cut the ear tabs if your wig is too big for you to lay it down properly, because that will irritate the hell out of you and it will definitely lift up your lace.
Ace, bring the beat back.
almost there, almost done with this install. After that, I took the elastic band that they sent me and I wrapped it around my hairline and I left it there for 15 minutes. Wait for the glue to completely dry out, and after that I took it out and proceeded to cut my lace. When you cut your lace, make sure that you don't cut it straight across, just cut it in zigzag motions. And went ahead and did my makeup, and after that I was ready to continue with the install. So I'm just hot combing the hair right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and attempt a big attempt. I'm gonna go ahead after this and attempt to do fluffy baby hairs.
Sugar Bonda.
Like I said, attempt. I just realized that it was not working. I did not include it in the film, but I did go ahead and cut the ends, the part that I was trying to get fluffy. I just cut that out and just laid my hair completely, laid the baby hairs completely down. So you'll see towards the end of the video that all that mess that I was trying to do is gone. Okay, but we'll try again. We'll definitely try again. To define my parting, I used this powder foundation that is a 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, I believe. And right after that, I went with a hairspray to lock it down. And that is it for today's video. Now remember, if you want to order this hair, the order links will be in the description, as well as any discount codes that I have for you guys. Thank you so much once again to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching this video until the end. Kindly just like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will surely catch you guys next time. Bye my loves.